Hey guys, welcome to CryptoPark channel. Today I am going to talk about Kage DePin app airdrop. Kage DePin app is part of Chirp network project. Before talking about it, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also follow my Telegram channel to get more airdrops and airdrops related updates. Also visit my website cryptopark.xyz. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So basically you can earn Chirpcoin in two different ways. One is using their miner, another is using Kage DePin app. The simplest way to earn Chirpcoin is using Kage DePin app, which is available for Android. Also please note that Chirpcoin is not released yet. So whenever you are using Kage app, you will be earning data chips points, which can be later converted to Chirpcoin. To start using the Kage app, first you need to download the app from the Play Store. You will find the app download link from the description below. After downloading the app, you need to create a new account. When you are creating a new account, please use my referral code. If you use my referral code, you will get 25,000 data chips instantly. You might be thinking how you are earning data chips points. So basically this app scans nearby Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and hotspots and upload the data to the server. For that you will be earning data chips points. So the more devices you discover, the more data chips points you will earn. And based on your data chips points, you will get airdrop. There is a tip to earn more data chips points. Let me share with you. Let the app run in the background and roam around the city as much as possible. In that way, you will discover a huge number of devices. Also, your data chips points will grow significantly. One thing to keep in mind, before distributing their airdrop, please connect your Sui wallet in the wallet section. Otherwise, you may lose your airdrop. So join Kage app as soon as possible and earn data chips point as much as possible. So guys, that's it for today. Please follow my Telegram channel for more airdrops and airdrops related updates. Also please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. See you soon.